Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix suspended TikTok account. So first of all, open your TikTok app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Then you will go to your profile page. Now here, tap on the three lines right there at the top right hand corner of your screen, and it will show up the option, and here tap on settings and privacy. Now, under Settings and Privacy, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Support. And here, tap on Safety Center. And then we just need to wait for a few seconds. And at the bottom, you just need to tap on this Community Guidelines. So basically, you just need to read all of the guidelines right here, and you need to make sure that you not violated any guidelines on TikTok. So you'll be able to fix your suspended account. Now, once you've done right here, go back to your profile page. So let's tap on back button. And here on your profile page, tap on the inbox right here at the bottom beside your profile icon. Then it will show you here on your page. Now basically tap on the system notification right over here, and here you will find a notification that your account is suspended. So from that notification, you'll find a appeal button. So if you tap on that appeal, then you should follow all the instructions and TikTok will get back to you within 4 to 7 business days. And if you have not violated any of the guidelines on your community guidelines, then you will get your account or fix your suspended TikTok account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.